Well, good morning. This is my 2007 Hyundai Sonata, and well, I'll tell you, the sun's finally peeking out here. It's been cloudy all day. The temp's in the 30s, and thankfully the wind's not blowing too much, but it's kind of cool out here. Anyways, it's December 13th, and oh, I can't see what I was going to show you. Let me open up the hood here, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Here we go. Oopsie daisy. There you go. Okay. Here's what I'm talking about. Oh, get these leaves out here. So this is the windshield wiper nut. holds the windshield wiper down here. And notice there's nothing on there. And notice there's one on here. So a couple weeks ago I noticed that this was missing, and so I ordered a new one, and I'm going to put it on now. Now I don't know why it was missing, but I have to tell you, last month I did paint this here, and I don't know if you can see the difference in the color, but I painted these because they had all kinds of surface rust on them. So I used that you know, Rust-Oleum stuff that combines with the rust, and it looks pretty nice now. Can't tell that it's bad at all. So anyways, I don't know if I somehow knocked it off I was doing that or what. But anyways, I ordered some of these nut covers on eBay, so let's unpack this. Well, actually I opened it yesterday, and it came, and oh no, don't drop. I don't want to lose them. Okay, so there's 4 of them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might ask, why did I get 4? Well, that wasn't actually what I wanted to do. I ordered 2 of them, and then I guess I realized when I got them that when you order 1, it comes as a set of 2. So now I have 4. And the other thing that I did was, before I ordered them, I took this one off, and I compared the dimensions and so on to make sure I got the right one, because I've ordered these before for a different car, and you really gotta look and see what yours is, because some models just have slightly different ones. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is just put this on like this, push it down, and that's it. It's now protected. And I wonder, maybe I should just put a new one on over here just for the fun of it. So let's take this off. There you go. Yeah, this one's definitely harder plastic, and this is much more pliable, so this has probably been on there a long time. So we'll just take this and put it in here like this. There you go, all done. So that's all you got to do to make sure your nut is protected there. Okay, and let's see what else. This car's in great shape. I gotta tell you, I really enjoy it. It's 2007, and got 150,000 miles on it or so, and just runs like a top. Okay, so hey, just give it a quick tour. It's a little dirty. Haven't washed it in just a little bit. So oh, the A's missing. I do have it in the car, but my daughter said it fell off one day, and I say, listen, I hope you have a blessed day, and thank you very much for watching, and take care.